My father was a well-known blacksmith on Guam before the war. And even during World War II, the Japanese were very fortunate to allow us to perform this trade that I'm preserving now, because without me, this trade will be a dying art. But because my father asked me to preserve it, to keep it alive, because this is how our Chamorro ancestors gained the articles or the tools when they got the metal from the Spaniards. You know, the Chamorro went to the ship and bartered the metal with food. So that's how they, well, I mentioned about Ladrone Island, you know, but that was actually a little story. And